That nailer can keep up with any type of framing production that we're doing, all day long.
At first I was very skeptical of the bump fire, especially being cordless. But man, the first moment I did it, it was good to go all the way in and happy.
Setup time, as long as you've got the battery charged, there is no setup time. You put your belt on and grab the tool and it's ready to start firing nails.
You don't have to worry about, wrapping the cords up or tripping over cords getting in your way. It's just way more convenient.
You don't have to drag any hoses, you don't have to drag compressors. It saves you the headache of all that.
It has a lot of bang for its buck.
It still has the power to be able to go through LVLs, and LVLs are pretty strong.
It'll sink all the way in, even with the burst mode.
The power of the RIDGID has been great. It set all the nails, no need to go back and double back with a hammer.
Every nail is driven home every time you pull the trigger. It never misfires a nail.
These really just shoot right away. There's no wait time, and you can just keep going with the nails. You don't have to wait for it to kind of charge up again.
Oh, the noise level's great, not having to listen to that compressor all day.
The option for the extended magazine really appeals to me, just to load up 2 clips of nails in there, just to have a little more time working and a little less time reloading.
I can't say enough good things about it. I was a little skeptical going into it, just coming from using so much pneumatic stuff, but it kept up. It really worked all day long. Battery life was great.
It is certainly comparable to a pneumatic framing nailer.
So the tool really exceeded all my expectations, especially with the bump fire.
Power is great, it is strong, and it just keeps going.
It's money well spent as far as the quality of the tool goes.
I absolutely love the RIDGID. No matter how big or small the job, this thing can get it done.